Hello everyone, today we will dig deep and find out more about a natural disaster named tsunami. So what is a tsunami, and how is it caused? Let's find out. A tsunami is a series of large ocean waves caused by the displacement of a large volume of water, typically as a result of underwater earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, landslides, or, less commonly, meteorite impacts. Tsunamis can travel across entire ocean basins and, upon reaching shallow coastal areas, can increase in height and cause devastating flooding and destruction. Here's how tsunamis are caused by different phenomena. 1. Underwater earthquakes. The most common cause of tsunamis is underwater earthquakes, particularly those that occur at subduction zones, where tectonic plates converge. When an earthquake displaces the seafloor vertically, it can generate a series of powerful waves that radiate outward from the earthquake's epicenter. These waves travel at high speeds across the ocean, often reaching distant coastlines. 2. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions, especially those that occur near or beneath the ocean's surface, can also trigger tsunamis. When a volcano erupts, it can cause the sudden displacement of water due to the collapse of its crater, the release of volcanic gases, or the movement of lava into the water. This displacement generates waves that propagate outward from the eruption site, leading to a tsunami. 3. Landslides. Large underwater landslides, such as those triggered by the collapse of coastal cliffs or volcanic slopes, can displace massive amounts of water and generate tsunamis. These landslides may be triggered by seismic activity, volcanic eruptions, or other geological processes. The rapid movement of debris into the water creates waves that propagate across the ocean, potentially impacting coastlines far from the landslide site. 4. Meteorite impacts. Although rare, meteorite impacts in the ocean can also generate tsunamis. When a meteorite strikes the water's surface with sufficient force, it displaces a massive volume of water, creating waves that spread outward from the impact site. While the likelihood of a meteorite impact triggering a tsunami is low, the potential consequences could be significant. Once generated, tsunamis travel across the ocean at speeds of up to several hundred kilometers per hour, hundreds of miles per hour, depending on the depth of the water. While they may not be noticeable in deep ocean waters, tsunamis can grow in height and energy as they approach shallow coastal areas, often resulting in catastrophic flooding and destruction when they make landfall. Early warning systems, coastal planning, and public education are essential for mitigating the impacts of tsunamis and ensuring the safety of coastal communities. These measures include the development of tsunami detection and monitoring systems, the establishment of evacuation routes and shelters, and the dissemination of preparedness information to residents and tourists in tsunami-prone regions. Well, that's it for today. Subscribe to know more about the world you live in.